Hey guys, welcome back to the Easy Load channel. This is a 2020 Chevy Traverse. It needs a rear windshield wiper replacement. So this should be a quick video. Alright, here's the windshield wiper on the back. So they have a cover. That's the one I'm going to use. It's a good year. And then that's the part number. I believe that one, the size is like a 10-inch. So let's take out the old one first. It have a cover here. So I'll put your hand on the both sides of the back, and then like a wiggle up and down, and then come up, and then now it's loose. So like slide out. So that's the cover. And now you can see the windshield wiper. You can tell it's like yep, it's about time. So yeah, here's the back of the cover. So like this hook is hooked up on the bottom of the wiper arm. Actually have I actually need to push this button right here up. So push that button up, and then push the wiper toward to you, and now it's out. And now I can put like a piece of towel between the glass and the wiper, and then like lower down the arm slowly because you don't want to smack on the glass. Yeah, that's the button I'm talking about. Let's do an A/B comparison. That's the old one. You can see that's the new one, and then put it side by side. Yeah, pretty much the same length, maybe a bit longer. So the install process is just a reverse. So on the wiper, they have this like the round end. That one's like a pointing toward to the driver's side. Alright, that's it. Yeah, so get some water, clean up the dust. So for the cover, like this hook right here is going to the round part, to the arm, and then you can slide toward to you until it stops, and this one just pop it back in. That's how you replace the rear windshield wiper on a 2020 Chevy Traverse. It should fit for the same body style between 2018 to 2023 or 2024. Alright, thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.